Yo, what's up everybody, it's Viral Zap. You know we're all about that hustle here, finding those hidden income streams, those money-making secrets nobody else is talking about. And guess what? Snapchat? Yeah, Snapchat, it's not just for sending goofy selfies anymore, it's a goldmine and I'm about to show you how to crack it wide open. We're talking 5 proven methods you can use right now to turn your snaps into stacks. And the best part? You don't need a million followers, you don't need to be a tech genius. We're keeping it real, keeping it simple, and using the power of AI to supercharge your earnings. So buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of Snapchat monetization. You ready? Let's go. First up, we're hitting Snapchat Spotlight, their answer to TikTok. And trust me, the earning potential here is huge. Think about it, short, attention-grabbing videos, millions of users scrolling, it's a recipe for viral success. But how do you stand out in the sea of snaps? 2 words, entertaining content. Funny skits, quick tutorials, those trending challenges everyone's doing. Find your niche and own it, don't overthink it. And here's a pro tip, use AI. Yeah, you heard me right, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Just type in something like, give me 10 funny Snapchat Spotlight concepts for tech tips in 2025. Boom! Instant brainstorming partner. Once you've got your ideas, create those eye-catching captions using CapCut or even Snapchat's built-in tools. Consistency is key here, folks. Try posting 3 to 5 snaps every single day. The more you post, the better your chances of getting seen by the algorithm gods. And when one of your snaps goes viral, and it will, you could be looking at hundreds, even thousands of dollars from a single video. No joke, Spotlight is where it's at, people. So get creative, get snapping, and watch the money roll in. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. You know, those special links you share, and when someone buys through your link, you get a cut? Well, guess what? Affiliate marketing isn't just for websites and blogs anymore. You can do it right on Snapchat stories, and it's crazy effective. Here's the deal. Find high-paying affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact.com, or Digistore24. These platforms have tons of products to choose from so you can find something relevant to your audience. Once you've got your affiliate link, it's time to create a killer Snapchat story. And guess what? We're using our AI secret weapon again. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write me a 20-second Snapchat story promoting noise-canceling headphones with an affiliate link. See? Easy peasy. Now just add a clear call to action, like swipe up or put the link in your bio using Linktree. Pro tip, focus on niches like tech, beauty, or fitness. Those tend to convert like crazy. Alright, ready to level up even further? Let's talk about selling your own digital products. I'm talking ebooks, filters, presets, things people can download instantly. And the best part? You create it once and you can sell it forever. Think about what your audience would love. Are they obsessed with getting the perfect selfie? Design some killer Snapchat filters or Instagram-style presets using tools like Canva AI or Midjourney. These platforms make it stupid easy, even if you're not a design whiz. Once you've created your digital masterpiece, upload it to a platform like Gumroad or Payhip. These are super user-friendly platforms that handle all the payment processing for you. Then promote your product through private Snapchat stories. Make it exclusive, make it irresistible. Use a clear call to action like swipe up to get your exclusive AI-designed Snapchat filter. You keep 100% of the profits, and the best part? Repeat sales take 0 extra work from you. Passive income, baby. Now let's talk about tapping into the local market. Small businesses are always looking for creative ways to get the word out, and that's where you come in. Snapchat shoutouts and story takeovers are pure gold for them. Here's the plan. Hit up 5 local businesses that you love, could be a coffee shop, a clothing boutique, a gym, whatever. Slide into their DMs with a killer pitch. Something like, I can create a 15-second Snapchat story promoting your new menu items, $50 per post. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Offer package deals like 3 posts and 5 story slides for $100. Make it a no-brainer for them. And hey, guess what? Our buddy ChatGPT can help you write those outreach messages too. Just ask it to write me a friendly DM to offer Snapchat promo services to a local coffee shop. When creating the promo snaps, use real customer footage or even some high-quality stock clips. Keep it engaging, keep it authentic, and watch those local businesses line up to work with you. Alright, ready for the ultimate Snapchat money-making hack? We're about to combine the power of AI with the magic of automation. This is how you create a system that generates passive income while you sleep. First, we're going back to ChatGPT. This time, ask it to generate 20 viral Snapchat spotlight ideas for life hacks. Boom, instant content calendar. Now take those ideas and use a video editing tool like CapCut or Pictory.ai to batch edit 10 to 20 short videos at once. These tools are lifesavers, trust me. Schedule your masterpieces to post automatically using Snapchat's built-in scheduler, or get really fancy and use Zapier with webhooks for even more control. That's it. You've just built an AI-powered Snapchat money machine. Post daily without lifting a finger and watch those views and those payouts skyrocket. This is next-level stuff, people. So there you have it, folks. 5 killer strategies to turn Snapchat into your own personal ATM. Which method are you most pumped to try? Drop a comment below. I want to hear all about your Snapchat money-making goals. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And while you're at it, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future AI-powered income hacks. Keep hustling, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Which Snapchat money-making method are you trying first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI-powered income hacks. See you in the next video.